Hi, welcome to our Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on exponential and logarithmic models. A conservation organization released 120 animals of an endangered species into a game preserve. The preserve has a carrying capacity of 1,500 animals. That means that's the largest number of animals that can live comfortably. Food, land, disease, carrying capacity. The growth of the pack is modeled by the logistics curve. P of t equals 1,500 divided by 1 plus 8 times e to the negative 1.155t, where t is measured in months. See figure below. Dun, 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 figure. So here is our whole setup. All right. It says use the model to find the population of the animal after 5 months. So I'm going to rewrite the model actually just above A. P of t equals 1,500 divided by 1 plus 8e to the negative 0.155t. All right, and I'm going to scoot all of this up to here. Maybe I'll go a little further. Okay. It says use the model to find the population after 5 months. So that's P of 5 equals 1,500 divided by 1 plus 8e to the negative 0.155 times 5. All right, so if I throw this into my calculator, I get 320.1, which is about 320 animals. If you are not getting that answer in your calculator, make sure you put parentheses around the denominator to ensure your calculator is doing the entire binomial before dividing it up into the 1,500. That's usually the biggest mistake you make with doing this type of calculation on your calculator. Okay, it says use the graph and model, helps to make sure you're doing all your calculations correctly, to determine when the population will be 1,000. So if we come across on the graph at 1,000, we hit right here. And if we come down, we hit right here. Let's see, 15, 16, 17, 18. The graph looks like 18 months. So by my estimate, it is 18 months according to the graph. So now that the graph has done what it needs to do, let's see what the model does for us. So what I want to do is I want to say 1,000 equals 1,500 divided by 1 plus 8e to the negative 0.155t. Now the very first thing I need to do is clear my fraction. So I need to multiply by that denominator, 1 plus 8e to the negative 1.55t, and do that over here on the other side. 1 plus 8e to the negative 0.155t. On the left-hand side, I'm going to get 1,000 times 1 plus 8 times e to the negative 0.155t equals, on the right-hand side, this all cancels, 1,500. I'm not going to distribute. I'm just going to divide both sides by 1,000. And I am going to be left with 1 plus 8 times e to the negative 0.155t equals 1.5. Subtract the 1. 8 times e to the negative 0.155t equals 0.5. And then I am going to divide by 8, but I'm going to also, at this point, move all of this up because I have so much more space over here. So I'm going to have e to the negative 0.155t equals 0.0625. I need to get my variable out of the exponent position, so I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. So natural log of e to the negative 0.155t equals natural log of 0.0625. So much more space. These are inverses, so they're going to cancel. So I'm going to have negative 0.155t. When I take the natural log of 0.0625, I'm going to get negative 2.773. This is multiplication, so I'll divide by negative 0.155. And I will get that t is equal to 17.8, or I could round this to 18 months, which, if I look back over here, is very similar to what the graph gave, which tells me I probably did all my algebra correct, which is always nice to have that confirmation. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.